Hello, today I am doing real numbers and exponents, specifically exponent rules part 1. Alright, let's get started. So for our first problem we have simplify negative 34.67 to the power of 0. So let's take it simpler. 5, what is 5 to the power of 0? 5 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Notice our pattern here, divided by 5. 5 to the power of 3, again 125, divided by 5. So that means that 5 to the power of 0 should be 5 divided by 5. So, and 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So 5 to the power of 0 equals 1. Now let's do negative exponents. Negative 5 to the power of 1 equals negative 5. Negative 5 to the power of 2 equals negative 25. Negative 5 to the power of 3 equals negative 125. So that means this is just divided by 5, 2 also. So that means negative 5 divided by 5 should equal negative 1. And this is negative 34.67. It's same rule as this. So that means this should equal to if this is to the power of 0, then this should equal negative 1. And there you have it, folks, our answer. Alright, next problem. 15 to the power of 18 divided by 15 to the power of 3. So what happens in here, whenever you divide, you're basically saying 15 to the power of 18 divided by 15 to the power of 3. This is the same thing as 15 to the power of 18 minus 3. And that we all know is 15 to the power of 15. Next problem. Simplify 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 8. So just like divided by, when we divide we subtract and the exponents. When we multiply we add the exponents. 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 8 is the same thing as 4 to the power of 2 plus 8, which is 4 to the power of 10. Alright, next problem. Alright, the Grand Canyon is 2 to the power of 9 kilometers long. Mariner Valley, and for those of you who don't know, Mariner Valley is a valley on Mars, is 2 to the power of 12 kilometers long. How many times longer is Mariner Valley than Grand Canyon? Alright, so if the Grand Canyon, so GC equals 2 to the power of 9 and MV equals 2 to the power of 12. So how many times longer is Mariner Valley and Grand Canyon? In this problem, you might think we're subtracting, but in reality, we're just dividing. So 2 to the power of 12 divided by 2 to the power of 9. And we already learned this. This is 2 to the power of 12 minus 9. And that is 2 to the power of 3. And we have our answer.